Hi, I'm Carrie Capone, and here are the top 5 reasons to subscribe to the Spinning Hand Knitting Kit subscription series. Reason number 5 is relaxation. Are you on your screen all day? I know I am. I'm on my computer all day long. Maybe you are checking your phone all day long, or maybe you are just watching TV too much at night. Knitting is a way to unplug, to unwind with an analog activity that tells your brain the day is over, it's time to unwind and relax. Knitting it lowers your heart rate, it slows down your breathing. It's a form of meditation, and at the end of it, you have a beautiful project to show for your time. And the soothing rhythm of the needles can just mark the time while you are maybe thinking about the day, thinking about what happened, and just letting it go. Check out the link below this video for something that makes me cry, which is called Knitting Behind Bars. It's a program that 2 women started in a prison in Maryland, and they're teaching lots of gentlemen the benefits of knitting. See you tomorrow for reason number 4.